How are you doing, my lovable viewers? My name is Perumal Jagan. I'm so happy to be here. In fact, I'm really happy to share the information with you. Yeah, I managed to pass my EJPT exam last night. I'm gonna share my experiences in this video. So obviously, it's gonna be a EJPT review video. EJPT, Eland Security Junior Penetration Tester, a beginner level certification program perfectly suitable for people who don't have idea about cybersecurity, but if they have the desire to get into the field, they obviously can take this exam. And I already made a video on my channel regarding the EJPT. So there is a free course available. Even the course content INA is providing for free. You can simply log in and grab the content. Once the preparation is done, once you are confident enough to take the exam, you can enroll and you can take. And the exam duration, I would like to say, there is no constraints. You will be getting 3 long days to take the exam. So absolutely no tension. You can relax yourself. You can take a sleep. You can take a walk. You can take a coffee and you can take the exam peacefully. So that is the beautiful aspect of the exam, I would say. And another thing is you will be named as Junior Penetration Tester once you earn this certification. And let me tell you about the question format. There are 20 questions. You need to answer at least 15 questions to pass this exam. And the questions like multiple choice questions and true or false questions they ask. And in order to answer those questions, you need to do some practical penetration testing. So that is the beautiful aspects of this exam. It's a practical. So they will give you a network, they will give you some file. You need to analyze those files and you need to find the network, and you start penetrating the device. Once you enumerate, once you find what are all the services enabled on those networks. So that is how you need to start your exam. The network knowledge, the basic network knowledge, mandatory to take this exam. Everything is present in that penetration testing student course content. So all you need is to pay your attention and take that examination with some meticulous manner. And I need to distinguish between the penetration testing and CTF here. When you are taking the EJPT exam, the CTF mindset will not help you, because they mentioned that the EJPT exam is literally different from CTF. It is not about getting into every machine and capturing the flags. Apart from that, you need to perform penetration testing on a network, on a device. While doing every action, you need to record all those actions, and based on the actions that you have taken, you will be able to answer those questions. So notes is mandatory. So make a habit of taking notes while doing the penetration testing. It is like the professional pen testing. The exam strictly follows the penetration testing path. First of all, you need to gather the information, then the enumeration. After that, you need to analyze the vulnerability. Finally, once you got the perfect vulnerabilities for the device, then only you need to go for the exploitation phase. So you have to adapt yourself to follow these stages. So that is the important thing here. Obviously, this exam is gonna help you to learn how to carry the penetration testing on an enterprise network. It's similarly like that. So don't start taking the exam in the CTF mindset, because I was thinking about CTF in my mind when I was taking the exam. So I spent some more additional time because of that mindset. While preparing, you need to take that 3 black box penetration testing in that PTS course carefully, because that experience would help you greatly during the exam. And also, apart from that PTS course, you can also refer some easy OneHub machines and try Hackney machines. I would highly recommend to take the Machine Blue. The Machine Blue is all about the Eternal Blue vulnerability. It's a notorious vulnerability which was found in early 2017, which was the reason for the WannaCry ransomware outbreak. So try to learn the Machine Blue, how to exploit the Machine Blue. That would greatly help you. And also try to learn how to enumerate and how to crack the SMB enabled boxes. So that will be a great learning for this EJPT. You need to concentrate more in one of the paces, and the pace is enumeration. During my information gathering and enumeration video itself, I mentioned that you need to pay more time in the enumeration pace. So that is the key point in EJPT exam. Try to enumerate your target as much as possible. Know about your target as much as possible. So that would greatly help you to answer those 20 questions. In fact, in 20 questions, almost half of the questions came from that enumeration outcomes. So if you are managed to do the enough enumeration, then you will be able to answer almost half of the questions. That is the key thing. Concentrate on your enumeration pace carefully. I started the exam Friday night around 8 p.m. and I accomplished the exam Saturday around 8 p.m. It almost took 24 hours, including my sleeping times and my other breaks, lunch breaks, everything. So I spent a little more time to deploy my Nessus scanner. So it took me around a couple of hours, 2 to 3 hours. So excluding that time as well, I almost took 14 to 15 hours to take this exam. Also, as I said before, I was keeping CTF in my mind, so it cost me some additional hours. That's it. And yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Hope you really enjoyed this video. If you really like, please hit the like button. Consider subscribing my channel. You can also share this video among your friends who are preparing for cybersecurity and EJPT exam. This would be helpful for them. Yeah, that's all I wanted to say. And I had been preparing for this exam for some days. That is why I couldn't able to post much videos on my channel. But henceforth, you will be able to see more videos from me. So I'll be posting videos frequently. Stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's all I had to say. I'll catch you up with another exciting video next time. Until then, signing off. Take care of yourself. Love you guys.